What's up, YouTubers? Hope all of you are having an awesome day. Today we got another unboxing of NFTs. These are redeemables for the Game of Thrones set. We have 5 of them to go through, so let's open this bad boy up. Hope there's no damage. Really awesome set. Unfortunately, I didn't get the Grail again. Oh man. So, whoa. Alright, so we'll start with this one. So the box was kind of beat up. Alright. So, first up, get this over here, and I will spin all these up. Ooh, that's not good. So the first one is Jaime Lannister. He looks like he has a very large scuff mark from top to bottom. I mean, you can see it, but you can't at the same time. It depends on how you're holding it. But man, come on. First one, scratched. He was fairly cheap, so I could probably get me another one. I don't know. Second up, we have the Hound. This was pretty much the one I wanted, whether, you know, I got the Grail or the redeemable for completing the set. I really liked his character, so I'm very glad to have gotten this one, and he looks like he's minty fresh. So that is definitely a plus. Now we have a 3 box. I guess there's 3 in this one. Alright. Next up, we got the mini face Arya Stark. Now, this was part of the show I didn't too much get into, but it wasn't bad, but I couldn't get into the whole no face part. But definitely a cool one. And you know, if you know about this set, the Jaqen goes with her, and I do have him as well. So That's definitely a plus. And she was minty fresh. Next up is the redeemable for if you complete the set. And it's not a Freddy Funko. They decided to go with Jon Snow. This is definitely an awesome one. Me personally, I don't too much care if it's a Freddy or not. But yeah, definitely a good redeemable right here. And once again, minty fresh. Very cool. And last but not least, we got the Jack and Hagar, or however you want to say it. You can correct me in my comments. He's very cool looking. Very cool looking. The only bad thing I'm seeing on this is the sticker placement, because you can't see his mask he's holding up on the face. So yeah, I mean, there's really not much you can do about that. The stickers got to go there regardless. I think they should stick the stickers on the sides. I mean, the stickers, let us see what's in the box. Alright, so definitely a kick-ass set once again. So my first one was the Looney Tunes, and this one looks minty fresh other than a tiny little spot up top. I don't even know what that is. I don't know if that's like, kind of looks like if you just ate french fries and your hands were greasy. Just a little tiny line. But yeah, minty fresh. Looked like Jaime Lannister was the only one with scuff marks. And I'm not too for sure, like, if you can even do anything about that. I know I've seen something about someone saying they wrote drop and actually got another replacement. They said if they wanted to wait for the box, it could take up to like 10 months. I mean, I've waited 9 months for these in the first place, so I definitely don't want to wait another 9 months for some kind of replacement or whatnot. But yeah, other than that, at the end of this video, I'll have a picture of all these, because we're not too close to where you can see. I know I spun them up already, but at the end of the video, I'll have all these grouped up. So this is my second set. I'm super stoked. I'm liking these NFTs. I think that they're going to be very good collectibles as far as me collecting. I think they're going to accumulate some great value. They got the good piece counts on them. I mean, when you get these and redeem these, sometimes people don't even redeem them. They forget. And so that makes that piece count even lower. But yeah, I'm liking the piece count thing. I think it's a new thing I'm going to be doing from now on. Just stick to like piece counts, grails, and chasing common sets. But there will be more of these NFT videos coming soon, because I do have a bunch ordered. And if these are coming in, that means the other ones are about to come in. So stay tuned for that. If you're new here and you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, ring-a-ling that bell. It'll tell you next time I do one of these videos, I go live. or put out a short. So until next time, you guys take it easy. Stay awesome.